Hey everyone, hello. Got something here today, just came today. It's from Sports Bike Shop, as you can see. And this is something that I haven't had for a long time, so I thought I'd treat myself. I've been trying to do some routes, make my own routes on Google Maps, but it turns out it's just pointless, because every time you create a map or a route on the computer, you send it to your phone and Google Maps says, nah, I'm going to give you the direct route. So I got a bit fed up with that. So I decided to treat myself to an early Christmas present and buy myself a dedicated sat-nav. So it's come today. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, see what it's like, and I'll go through some of the features with you either in this video or I'll do a separate video for that. Right, let's get into this bad boy. So let's see what it's like. Let's see if it's worth the money. I've heard some pretty good reviews about it online, so I thought I'd give this one a go myself to see if it is any good. It better be, because it wasn't cheap, let me tell you. It's packaged pretty well. Oh yeah, here it is. Let's get rid of that. There it is. It's the TomTom Rider 550. It's the premium pack. So it's got a few bits and pieces in it. So there we go. I'm not sure if you can see this properly, but it's got glove-friendly touchscreen. It's got world maps, updates via Wi-Fi, so you don't need to plug it into a computer. You can integrate it with your smartphone as well. So all the usual stuff that you'd expect to find on any type of technology really these days. So, oh look, and it comes with a protective case. Can you see that okay? Protective case, car mounting kit, and an anti-theft solution as well. So that would be pretty good for the bike. So let's get into this box. That's a nice little ripped bit there already. Let's see. Get rid of that. Don't need that. Okay. So okay. Comes in two parts. So here we have the accessory pack. Open that. So we should have. That looks like the mount for the car. It's a sticky thing. I don't normally have much luck with these suction pads. They don't seem to work for me, but hopefully it's okay. I'll try it. I mean, it's going to be used mainly for the on the bike anyway, so I'm not worried too much about that. This one, what's this one? This looks like the security one for the bike. You've got a couple of keys with it as well, so I'll have to try and fix that on the bike somehow to figure that out. Right, just get that back in there. What else have we got? Cigarette charger as well. Oh, cigarette USB. Oh, there we go. I'm not sure my car actually has a cigarette lighter in it. I'm gonna have to check that. I don't think it does. And my bike doesn't. I know my bike doesn't. And there's some the other attachments to fit it to your bike. And the carry case. Let's see how good quality this is. Actually, it's quite nice. Feels quite well made. Nice little pouch there for the sat nav to go in. Yeah, it's good quality. It's not flimsy. It's quite nice. That's good. keep it nice and safe. Let's get rid of those for a minute. And let's get into actual unit. So let's see. Here we are. Now, how does this feel? Actually, it's quite weighty. It feels really solid, really well built. We've got the speakers on the back, and there should be somewhere for it to plug into. I guess it's in there, isn't it? Yeah, and we got the micro SD slot there as well. And where do you plug it in then? I have no idea. I can't find it. Must be in there then, is it? No, it's not in there. Am I missing something? Where is it? No idea. Gonna have to find that somewhere. Unless it's on there itself, is it? Not too sure. Anyway, I'll have to find out. So yeah, that's the unit itself. It's a nice size. It's not too big. The screen looks like it's a nice size. And I wonder if there's any power to it. Let's turn it on. No. Ah, yeah, there is power. Ooh. So yeah, it looks like quite a decent screen. Turn it around so I can see it. It's just loading. It looks of good quality, and like I say, it feels solid. It does feel good. While we're waiting for that, we've got the destruction booklet in here. Wow. It's quite a hefty little booklet. I'll have to have a read through that. Here we have, there's another mount, some leads to connect it. I think you can actually hardwire it to your bike, so I probably won't do that, I don't know. That must be the charging cable. And some more mounts. These will be the mounts for the bike. Okay, so we'll go through those in a bit. Okay, will I be able to get this back in here now? Probably not. Right. Now let's get that out of the way for a sec. This is starting to boot up. So, wait. Which language is this in? English, please. Yeah, there it is. English, United Kingdom. Yay. Well, sorry, it's upside down, isn't it? So, next. Choose a country. United Kingdom. Yes, that's already selected. Oh, all countries. United Kingdom. I have to keep turning it because I can't read it otherwise. Oh, it's just the safety agreement. Yes, I agree. Use my location and the information I enter to receive help improve. Yeah, okay. Collect and store information about your routes. Yes. Okay, I'll help you improve your products. Just send me something for free. And there's the Wi-Fi setup. So I'm going to do that later. But that's, yeah, just a quick unboxing video of this unit. I'm going to finish setting it up, and then when I've learned how to use it and find my way around it, I'll do another video for you guys. So I hope you found that interesting. If you're thinking about getting one of these, I'll let you know how I'll get on and whether or not it's worth the money. Alright, I'll see you again soon, guys. Take care.